Hi everybody, and welcome to True Wants, where here we try to help you make that decision if it's going to change from a want to a need. If you're new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button you see right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. There's also a bell beside that subscribe button, and I always recommend that you press it. It's called the notification bell. And what ends up happening is YouTube should notify you that I just uploaded a brand new video. I do upload a lot, and sometimes my videos are time sensitive, so I don't want you to miss out. So make sure to press that subscribe button, ring the bell, and you'll be in the know. Also, right underneath there is a thumbs up. That's important on the YouTube platform for a YouTuber. So if you enjoy my content, please take a second right underneath and hit that thumbs up. It'll turn blue, the number will increase, and then you're helping me grow on YouTube. All right, today I'm really excited. I finally got the box from Fashionsta. I know it is March, but this is the February box. And a lot of times with the box, it does arrive a little bit later than all the other box, but this is a little bit late, even later as far as I'm concerned for them. But it's always worth the wait. It is a box that is filled with a lot of products that will be new to us. They seem to gear a lot towards indie brands, as well as some brands that we know, but they like to also, majority of the items in their boxes that I've received from them, they've always been vegan and cruelty free. So if that's of interest to you, I think that's great. I also want to share with you, sometimes when things arrive late, it ends up working in my favor, because I did get an email from them today in reference to some changes that they're doing starting in March, which is now. And I'm going to share that with you too. I'm going to read to you some of the fantastic changes that they're planning on doing. But I just wanted to share with you inside their box, they always have beautiful paper, as well as this black crinkly, which I'm not a huge fan of because sometimes the black comes off on the packaging, but the presentation of it is just beautiful. So let me read to you a little bit about the new changes, because that's like right now the newest news, because possibly some of you might have already seen the items that are in the box, because there's usually not that many variations with them. Sometimes it might be in colors, but otherwise a majority of us usually get the same thing. So I'm excited to get my hands in a few. I've only had the opportunity to see maybe a couple of girls open this up, but a lot of them didn't take the products out to play with them. So that's where I'm really curious to be able to share that with you here. So the news that they're saying that's happening now is they have a new improved website. They're saying that will help us manage our subscriptions. You can update your shipping and billing information, but you can also now pause or skip a month, which they never had before. And they're saying it has easy tracking for our account. If you've recently canceled your subscription, they say they're sad that you left, but hopefully you will return and try their new and improved, what they feel is a new and improved version of their subscription. They're saying for current subscribers, they say goodbye to your old account dashboard. They're telling you how to click on, and then if you believe your account was paused, canceled, or charged by mistake, or you're having any difficulty viewing your new subscription dashboard, you can always reach out to them at customerservice@fashionsta.com. They've also added a points program that they're calling the new Glam Fam loyalty program, and they're saying the points are really easy to make. It's through referring people. It's also renewals, and that means, yes, every month when your subscription is renewed, you will earn points. The third thing is they're giving points for reviews, and as well as store purchases. They're saying you can earn your points on every dollar on their store. They also have social media shares and follows. You'll earn points for that as well. So I think it's really nice that they're getting into for reviews and things like that, because this was the only website I really didn't go on to review. But now that they're offering points and things like that, I think it's great. If you have never visited their website, it is absolutely beautiful. One of the things that I did with this company when it first started, and I was first starting as a YouTuber, this was one of the first boxes that I got into when it really first started. I got very lucky, and I went on a wait list, and I was taken off the wait list very quickly. And then I reached out to them, which I haven't done with any other company, and I said to them, I'm new, you're new. Is there any form of a discount that you can offer for my subscribers, you know, because I'm introducing your box and things like that? And I said, I do dedicated videos and so on and so forth. And they gave me a code called True Wants, and I think you get 20% off on their website. So like I said, all of my discounts and my codes, and if there's remuneration or anything like that, I leave that all in the description box down below. My boxes and all that are at the bottom because I want to always have the most current information up on top on the description box. So if you're looking for links of mine or any of that, please always scroll down in the description box, because if I get discounts or things like that, I always like to share that with you. All right? Okay. So, and 20% off is what we all wait for with Sephora, and their site has a lot of stuff that's similar to Sephora, if not the same thing. So, like I said, I'm impressed with this company. Also, this box now, and it has been $24.99 for a while, but why I say this company, what he's also done, which I thought was unbelievable, and I've never heard of any other company do, I pay $19.99 for this box. When this box came out, it was $19.99. And when he had the price increase, he gave everybody the opportunity, and I'm on a month-to-month. So he gave everyone the opportunity that if they stayed on, as long as they stay on, it is going to be grandfathered in at $19.99, and that's why I pay still $19.99 for this box. But anyone new coming on board, it's $24.99. It's free shipping to your door, and I would have paid the $24.99, but like I said, I love the fact that he, appreciated that people, started with him and grew with him, and he kept it at $19.99. All right, let's get started with what's in the box, because that's why we're all here. The first item that we received, and he usually puts a palette in every box. This one is from the brand called REALHER. It's the Dream So Big eyeshadow palette, and it's $28. When I first got introduced to REALHER a long time ago, I had the opportunity to try their eyeshadow palette, and I think it was in a BoxyCharm, and I was not impressed at all. Since then, I've had the opportunity to try 2 or 3 other of their eyeshadow palettes, and they have definitely changed their formula because it is out of the park. It is a really, really good product. I also fell in love with their lipsticks, their glosses, and their liners, which I have worn numerous times. And when I ever see them on sale, I always grab them. So REALHER is a brand that I think is really moving in the right direction. So very excited. I also open up, if you're not familiar, all my products before I sit down here. We take a picture for Instagram before I get my fingers into everything. That's what I like to do on YouTube. So full retail box on this, and also REALHER also donates and does things like that. They're just a really great company. If you want to know more about them, their website is realher.com. All right, so this here is the eyeshadow palette that we received. Like I mentioned, this is called the Dream So Big eyeshadow palette. It's $28. It says it has 9 motivating, empowering shades infused with avocado oil, coconut oil, and other powerhouse ingredients for hydration and anti-aging. I don't know if I mentioned, but they really try to look for brands that are what they call indie brands, which are smaller brands, as well as brands that are cruelty-free or vegan and things like that. So they're really a very unique box, but I've always enjoyed so much the products that I've had the opportunity to try. So it looks like a very standard palette. The colors are very beautiful, and they are ones that you have a mixture of your satins and your mattes, and the names on here are like dream, envision, desire, imagine, ambition, encourage, inspire, aspiration, and empower. Just really, really fantastic. And there's a whole fantastic story about him, which I've shared a million times because I got so interested in this brand when I started to really like his products, and he did a lot for his daughters and things like that. It's just really a very inspirational story. If we have time at the end and this doesn't go on too long, I will swatch this. The next item that we received was in this box here, and it is called, let's see what we have here. It is called the Herbal Dynamics Beauty, and this is what is inside here. And they're saying it is a mango and green tea firming eye mask. I've never used an eye mask. Please leave in the comments down below if you have. This is $20, and they're saying it will reduce the appearance of dark circles and puffiness with green tea and caffeine and apple and mango extracts. It will soothe and soften, and this is also vegan and cruelty-free. So let's see what this is all about. So it has a full seal on here. It has this beautiful orange color. There is a no, I don't even think there's a scent. Yeah, I don't smell anything. And then we'll take a little bit off the cap there. That's that orange there. Yeah, it is a thicker consistency. This is definitely one that you would need to wipe off. So definitely we'll read how to use this. It probably tells you the amount of time and everything to use it on here. Always read so that you don't keep things on too long, but this is beautiful. So really, really excited to have the opportunity to try that, but it is definitely very moisturizing, but it is definitely something you're going to want to wipe off. The next item that we received is the one that I'm really intrigued about. It came in this box, and when I saw somebody open this, they just showed it like this, which is very intriguing, but I didn't see anyone dip in, so I cannot wait to dip into this. It also comes with this beautiful little spoon, which will make it easier to dip into, but let's see what this is all about. This is from a brand called Caolion USA. They're saying it is an Aqua Fresh Gel Day Cream. And they're saying it is $22.50. It says it's an all-day lasting moisturizing, and they're saying it's a cream that's formulated with water and gel that's filled with oxygen bubbles, which is what we're seeing here. And then it's saying vitamin capsules for ultra-lasting hydration. Wow. Okay, so this is going to be a new texture for me, and it is completely sealed. So let's see if we can open her up a little bit. And oh, it looks like a gel. Okay, let's scoop our little spoon in here and see what we come up with. So that's what that looks like there. I'm trying to do everything on my other hand, so if I end up doing the swatches, it won't have all this moisturization on here. Oh my God, it feels very cooling. There's no scent to this either, but it's also going on where it's not sinking into the skin. So they're saying this is a all day lasting moisturizing cream. I don't know why they're calling it a cream. I'm gonna have to do a little bit more research on this, but like I said, I'm brand new to this, this whole texture, but it is just stunning, and I cannot wait to read more about this. It's water and aqua, intense hydration, enhances complexion and calms. Definitely will have to read more on this. Really, really excited to get that. All right, the next item that we received here is from this brand called Noctex Cosmetics. It is a liquid vial, and this one here came in, it looks like those test tubes. Look at that. And really, really cool packaging. And this one here is in, I don't have the color here. I'm gonna have to see if it's written somewhere. I'm just going to pull out which a lot of you should have by now if you got the True Ones Need It bags. Let's see what this is here. The name says it is REQUIEM. That doesn't really help me, but that's what it says on the back of the packaging here. And this one, it looks like a brown tone, which for me is not one that I gravitate to, but I will show you the color on my hand because I like to, when it's a brand new brand, even if the color is not one that I would personally wear, I like to test it on and be able to give you reviews on the actual brand's product, so that in the future, if the colors do come available of ones that we like, then you know that it's worthwhile. Okay, this one I said is an $18 value. They're saying this is luxurious velvet matte finish. It is non-drying formula that wears comfortably all day long. It's also vegan and cruelty free. So let's just do, it's one of those, I think, liquid lipsticks. So let's just do a swatch here. It's going on really, I think it's like that one swipe type of product. And that's what the color looks like there. And then the next item that we got is from Bellapierre Cosmetics. This is an HD finishing powder. It says it's high definition translucent powder. Bellapierre is a brand that I've had the opportunity to try their lipsticks, and I've really, really enjoyed them. And I think I saw in, there was a bundle, I think, from another box that does these, it's almost like takeover boxes where the whole box is the one brand, and I think they did the Bellapierre. And this one is an HD finishing powder that they're saying this is $35, and they're saying it's an impossible smooth mica based powder that mattifies and sets makeup in place, providing a silky shine free finish. It's ideal for using with baking technique, and it's cruelty free. Baking is what I used to do a lot of when I was younger because I was far oilier, and a lot of oily girls already know that baking is simply taking, you can take your, any form of like a pad that you place it in here and you literally press it into your face and you let it sit. And then you do your eye makeup, you do everything else, and then the last step, you dust off any excess powder. That's what baking is. So for me, this is something that I will enjoy and try to use and see, learn about another new product. But loose setting powder, everybody, I mean, this is a win. The last item that's in here is one that I'm really excited to have the opportunity to try. Hyaluronic acid repairs dryness and provides deep hydration to the skin and promotes natural skin glow. Hyaluronic acid is something that our body makes within itself, but as we get older, it doesn't do it as often as it should. And this one is from a brand called Measurable Difference. And they're saying this can hold up to, which is what hyaluronic acid does, 1,000 times its weight in moisture, making it ideal ingredient to deep hydration your skin to get natural skin glow. They're saying this bottle is $15. It's also vegan and cruelty-free. Hyaluronic acid is usually very much like a water consistency. So if you do essences, you do the essence first, and then this would be the next step before the serum, because I'm going to see if we can take it out here so I can show you. It will look like a water drop, and it is a little bit thicker than an essence, but when I say a little, I mean a little. And then this is what it looks like here. And hyaluronic acid, your skin should drink it in. So when you put this on, the little bit where you want your neck, anywhere where you're dry, it's great for your cuticles, it's great for everything, but the hydration, it literally locks in the moisture. So this is fantastic. And this is $15, which is a fantastic price for it as well. The brand is called Miserable Difference. But if you haven't had the opportunity to try hyaluronic acid, some are the price ranges, but definitely it is something you should have in your arsenal. And always check, a lot of the serums and stuff that you have might already have this in here, but this is definitely a win. So very, very excited with everything that we got in the box. So let's do a quick little swatch here of these guys and see what it's all about. So we have some mattes and we have some what I call satin shimmers. So this one is called Dream, Envision, and Desire. Yeah, the consistency is beautiful, and that's what those look like here. And this is one of those palettes that they're like the naturals, but they're the ones that you would use all the time. These are the ones that you would always gravitate to. And also, if you were buying a palette, this is the palette that you would purchase for yourself, because this is the type of palette that you would use every single day. So this is what the colors are here, and that's the Inspire, Aspiration, and Empower. And I didn't tell you what the names were of the middle guys, which I will. The middle row there is Imagine, Ambition's the one that's in the corner, in the middle, and the next one is Encourage. Really, really beautiful. So like I said, this is a fantastic, fantastic box. To me, this is the one that hits all the marks, where it's brands that we know and that we trust, which is REALHER. BellaPierre has been around a long time, and it's a brand that I know, but now they've introduced us to not only new brands, but to me, an eye mask is something that I've never had the opportunity to try, so I'm really excited about that. The texture and consistency of this is just beyond stunning. Can't wait to read more about that. You have a lip product, so you got your mixture of your makeup and your skincare all in one box. And like I said, this is, $24.99, we'll say, is what the price is, because that's what, is, if you went on the website to sign up now, that's what the price would be. And really, really excited to have the opportunity to try all the products that are in here. So please leave in the comments down below if you do get the box. And also, if you've had the opportunity, because I'm getting my box so late, if you had the opportunity to try any of these products, because I'm really curious about these. So once again, as always, I appreciate so much that you guys take any time out of your day that you choose to spend it with me here. So thank you. But more importantly, during this time, I want to make sure that everyone continues to stay safe and stay well. And I will see you all soon in my next video. Take care, and bye-bye for now.